Your dining table is one of the social hubs of your home. A place to entertain family, friends, and other guests. Many warm memories are created as food and wine flow freely, conversation is shared, and people connect. With the arrival of fall, there are plenty of occasions that call for celebrating with family and friends around your table. Bring in the best decor that fall has to offer and enrich any gathering in your dining room or kitchen with these beautiful and artistic ideas to celebrate the season of bounty. Adorn your kitchen or dining room this fall with these decorating tips and ideas designed to ramp up any festivity. 1. Add a fall tablescape or centerpiece. One of the easiest decorating ideas to add depth and flair to any room is the addition of a tablescape. Whether you choose to go modern, rustic, or even glam as you bring in the best that fall decor has to offer with foliage, color, and ambiance. 2. Bring the outdoors in. Fall is a great season to bring the best of the outdoors into your kitchen and dining room. Adorn your table with some seasonal gourds, or perhaps a vase or two of some rustic fall branches and leaves will convey the beauty and change of the seasons. Guests will delight at the simplicity and elegance of nature's decor. Use the inspiration and color palette to help you design the perfect place settings at your next gathering. 3. How about a French farmhouse look? To create the ultimate clean, bright look with a bit of eccentric flair, opt for the French farmhouse look on your table. A blue striped table runner, white metal pitcher, and white metal pumpkins on a sterling silver tray will be the backdrop for any pop of color you wish to incorporate with the rest of your decor. 4. It's harvest time. The apple is the quintessential fruit of fall, along with the pumpkin. It is highly recognized in both decorating and whipping up kitchen creations that we all drool over. Why not bring the apple in as the centerpiece of your table? A twist of your melon baller and a few tea lights later, you have the makings of a delicious dining room or kitchen masterpiece. Feel free to play with the color and add the element of wood for an earthy, sweet-smelling experience. 5. Add some glitter and glitz. One of the most innovative decorating ideas you can play with at your fall gatherings is a little sparkle. Whether a covering for candles, faux pumpkins, or on your table chargers, adding a little glitz will help to ramp up your celebration and take it to the next level of beauty and elegance. 6. Add some levels to your centerpiece and surrounding decor. With candles, platforms, and centerpieces at your fingertips, you can design the ultimate table with some depth. Using both tall and small, it is easy to make an interesting centerpiece that has guests marveling at your ability to create beauty using ordinary decorating elements. Try a tall tapered candle arrangement surrounded by squatting squash or some creeping vines around a centerpiece of edible fruit. The sky's the limit when it comes to how creative you can be.